Good morning, class 6. This is your computer class. Today we are going to start chapter number 3, word procedure, mail merge. Okay. In this lesson, we will be learn about mail merge, main document, data source, merging the main document with the data source. Okay. Now let's begin. Okay. Mail merge is a feature that merges main document. What merges? Main document with the recipient's addresses. The main document is merged with the mailing addresses, hence referred as mail merge. You can also print labels and envelopes using the information stored in a data list such as database or spreadsheet. Okay. When you are performing a mail merge, you will need a document with common content and a recipient or address list called the data source. Okay. Mail merge involves the following 3 steps. Step 1. Creating the main document, creating the data source, merging main document and data source. Understood? To use mail merge, follow these steps. Step 1. On the mailing tab, in the Start Mail Merge group, click the Start Mail Merge button. Okay. Now step 2. From the drop down list, select Step-by-Step Mail Merge Wizard. The Mail Merge task pane appears and will guide you through the 6 main steps to complete a merge. Okay. This is your Start Mail Merge and this is your Step-by-Step Mail Merge Wizard. Understood? Now step 3. Choose the type of document you want to create. For example, select letters. Step 4. Click Next Starting Document to move to step 2 of 6. Select Use the current document. Click Next. Select Recipients to move to step 3 of 6. Okay. It is a step 1 of 6. Letters. Select document type. Letters. Okay. Step 1 of 6. Next starting document. This is your 5th. Use the current document. And 6. Select recipients. Okay. Use an existing list. And this is your write your letters. Step 3 of 6. Okay. Now step 7. You will need an address list. So Word can automatically place each address into the document. The list can be in an existing file such as an Excel workbook. From the Mail Merge task pane, select Use an existing list when click Browse. Okay. Locate your file in the dialog box. Click Open. Select Data Source dialog box. You can select from here and you can open your data from here. Okay. If the address list is in an Excel workbook, select the worksheet that contain the list. Click OK. Okay. You can click from here. Okay. Okay. Alternatively, you can type a new address list from within the Mail Merge Wizard. Okay. Now step 7. In the Mail Merge Recipients dialog box, you can check or uncheck each recipient to control which ones are used in the merge. When you are done, click OK to close the dialog box. Okay. New address list. And this is your Mail Merge Recipients dialog box. Okay. Now step 9. From the Mail Merge task pane, click Next. Write your letter to move to step 4 of 6. Insert recipient data. In step 4 of 6, you are ready to write your letter. When it is printed, each copy of the letter will be basically the same. Except the recipient data, which includes name and address, you will need to add placeholders for the recipient data. So Mail Merge known as where to add the data. If you are using Mail Merge with an existing letter, make sure the file is open to insert recipient data. Follow these steps. Step 1. Place the insertion point in the document where you want the information to appear. Step 2. Select the address block, greeting line, electronic postage or more item from the task pane. Step 3. Depending on your selection, a dialog box may appear with various options. Select the desired option, then click OK. You can click from here. Okay. And this is your desired option. Insert formatted address. Now, a placeholder appears in your document, for example, greeting line. It is your greeting line, a page holder in the document. Okay. Step 5. Repeat these steps each time you need to enter information from your data record. From the mail merge task pane, click next, preview your letter to move step 5 of 6. Preview the letters to make sure information from the recipient list appears correctly in the letter. You can use the left and right scroll arrows to view each document. Okay. Now click next, complete the merge to move step 6 of 6. Click print to print the letters. The merge to printer dialog box opens. Click all, then click OK. The print dialog box will appear. Adjust the print setting if required, then click OK button. Okay, this is your merge to printer dialog box. Click OK button. Okay. Now printing envelopes. To create envelopes using mail merge feature, follow these steps. Open a new blank Word document. You have to open a new blank Word document. On the mailing tab in the Start Mail Merge group, click the Start Mail Merge button. From the drop down list, select the envelope option. You can select envelope option from here. The envelope option dialog box is displayed. Click the OK button on the envelope option dialog box. Select the Use an Existing List option from the Select Recipient drop down list. In the Start Mail Merge option, select recipients. Okay, use an existing list option. The Select Data Source dialog box is displayed. Understood? Now step 5. Browse to the file that contains the recipient details. In the Select Table dialog box, click the Open button. Click the OK button, or you may type a new list. Step 8. On the Mailing tab in the Start Mail Merge group, select Edit Recipient List button. Mail Merge Recipient dialog box opens. Select the recipient and then click OK. Okay. On the Mailing tab in the Write and Insert Field group, select the Address block option. The Insert Address box is displayed. Okay, this is your then click OK. Select the Preview Result option in the Preview Result group to preview the output of Mail Merge. This is your preview of the address. Mr. Singh, Surendra, ABC, anything you want you can type. Okay. On the Mailing tab in the Finish group, from the Finish and Merge drop down list, select the Print Documents option. The Merge to Printer dialog box is displayed. Select the All option and click then OK. The envelopes are printed. Okay, students, understood? Now there is any problem and any type of doubt, you can ask to me. Okay, all the exercise and question answer I will provide you in PDF. So you have to write in your computer notebook copy. Thank you, students. Stay home, stay safe.